after the hour, and welcome to the Clark Howard Show, where we empower you every hour so you will save more, spend less, and you know I don't want you to get ripped off. There's a little tiny rip-off that I want to bring to your attention again in just a moment. It's been one of those things that's been out there for so long, and it's successful for so long. My number 231-877-87. Wants it for his business, and you know, he seems like a nice guy, and you'd like to give it to him. You know, you don't get into it at all with the cell phone provider that you're selling the number, but you should have some kind of email or something from him what the agreement would be when you sell the number.
Okay, well, I didn't give him any kind of information or anything. I just told him I was thinking about it and call him back. He gave me his number.
Well, I think, you know, if the hassle is not that great, help this guy out in his business and he's willing to do some stuff for you,